I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here in Harmar, Pennsylvania. Right down there is the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Bessemer and Lake Erie Railroad is right here. I'm actually awaiting the mist run, but it appears we have a Norfolk Southern train coming on the Conemaugh line, which is down here. So let's take a look and see what it is. Probably not gonna be able to get the numbers. Let's see. Can't tell what type of train it is. Looks like it's a manifest though. It's right through there. Yeah, I think it is mixed freight. I think an EMD's leading. Oh, I think that's an M-2. That's even better. Huh. Just sucks I'm getting a bad shot of it. That looks like an M-2. I know that's just an ACE, 1174. 8033. Hey, I got the numbers. How about that? That was a narrow font K5LLA. And I got the numbers. Good old EMD leading. This phone is so good, man. It's crazy. Yeah, this is... That's an awesome horn. Also, I just started to pick something up on my scanner on the Bessemer. Hopefully they won't be too long. Oops, sorry. Conemaugh line usually sees mixed freight trains that have hazardous materials. It's a lot like the old main line, honestly. Because as I was arriving here, there was an ethanol. As you can see, they go really slow through here for the most part. I think they have a speed restriction because not too long ago, there was a really bad derailment that happened on this line. I think it was an ethanol train or something. Pretty bad. Locomotives got completely destroyed. There was a collision caused derailment. My scanner's going pretty big with the Bessemer, so they're definitely switching. It's good news for me. That's a good sounding K5LLA. Not one you hear very often, but it is. That's actually why I thought it was an M-2. Unless I'm going completely wrong and it said 2774 and it's not 1174. I'll have to check. foot up there is Allegheny Valley Railroad. So there's 3 railroads that go through here in Harmar. Sorry the camera footage is so shaky. Yeah, lots of tankers. That makes sense that this train is taking the Conemaugh line. They don't like to send these things from downtown Pittsburgh. It's just like how CSX doesn't like sending their hazardous trains through DC. And he's gaining speed now. A lot more speed. Yeah, the next video, if this is the only train I catch here on the Conemaugh line, next video should be a chase of the mist. The lighting is so bad. Oh my gosh. Honestly, it might be bad for that whole chase, but I'll make do with whatever I have. I wonder if this train's gonna have a DPU. Oh, that one's Delaware Lackawanna. Can't tell from my video, but I can, just because I've seen that before. Scanner's still going nuts about the MISC switching. I haven't seen a MISC in a long time. And the fact that 878 will be leading north, looking forward to it. Only seen it lead once. Oh, there's an EMD as a DPU. Looks like an SD70ACC, and it's at the rear. Locomotives on this train is pretty good. I definitely hear EMD. It's 18 something. Let's see if I can get the number. If not, it is what it is. Let's see. $18.07. Okay, there it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for future content as always.